Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today's date is 12 January 2024. Let us see the performance of yesterday as per our MST iCore 2.0. What we are supposed to do to get our indicator in your chart, you have to do 3 steps. 1. Go to the tradingview.com and create one free account and get the username. Second, go to the YouTube and search for MST School of Trading and you will get our channel and subscribe it, watch the videos, like it, share it and give your valuable comments. Also join our Telegram channel called MST School of Trading for the further updates. The third point would be our indicator is not available for free, but it is almost free only. We are charging only very nominal charges because we have to pay for the trading fee for their server usage. And whichever plan you want to use it, that plan you can subscribe for. There are 3 plans currently available: yearly plan, 5 years plan and lifetime plan. Whichever you want, that you can go for. Okay, now let me show you the Telegram channel yesterday. Before showing the Telegram channel, I show you from the scratch, okay, what we are supposed to do. This is our indicator. I am just removing the indicator. And once again I will be adding from the invite only script. So our indicators will be available in the invite only scripts only. So the first 2 indicator will be there that you can add. MST iCore 2.0 easiest one. After that, what you are supposed to do, go to the settings and give a reset settings. Reset, okay, before trading for the day you have to reset every day so that you will not be getting any confusion. So now since we are trading in the Bank Nifty, we have to reduce our stop loss to tiny to stop loss and target also tiny to targets. These 2 settings only you have to do. So now I will show you by just doing the bar play as if the market has just to open now. Clear? So now you see market has just to open. If market is coming down, so what's our strategy actually is? Our strategy is very simple. If the market is coming down to our bottom zone, that we call it as buy zone. You can keep it in 5 minutes also, no problem, the values will not be changed. So if the market is coming down to the bottom zone, we will be buying a call option, 200 points ITM. If the market is going upper side first, we will be buying the put option with 200 points ITM. Suppose say if the market is coming down today at 47,434, we will be buying 47,200 call option. Suppose say if the market is going to top side, that is 47,743, we will be buying 47,900 put option. So that we will be having movement as par with the spot value. So we are ready with the 2 strike prices now. We know which strike price we have to choose. Buy is not yet activated. We are ready. If the market is coming down, we will be taking at the current market price instead of waiting for a particular value. That's all. Now buy activated. Since buy activated, go to the indicator settings. We can do one thing. Instead of going again to the settings, you can wait for directly to the midpoint for the target. Okay, directly to the midpoint, or keep some 50 point stop loss, 50 point target, or some 50 point stop loss and 60 point target, or 100 point targets, 100 point SL, whichever you want as per your wish. Okay, when the market is coming and touching our first target, you have to revise the stop loss to cost. That you should not forget. So now you see how the market is moving, whether it is moving in our favor or not. If you closely look at this candle which has touched our buy zone, it has closed above our buy entry and it has formed one bullish engulfing also. So now this candle has not touched our buy zone again. Okay, here first target hit, so here it is not hitting that revised stop loss. As I told you, see here exactly it has come and touched our midpoint. Now it is reversing now. If it is reversing, we have to go for the second sell. That's very simple. If SL hit, go for the second sell. I am enabling the target also. See exactly our target, second sell target also hit. If again it is going up to the level of 47,434, again we can buy. But if you notice here at 217 itself, I have given in the call in the Telegram group, in free group also, to take 47,200 call option near 400. I have taken at 415. See here, I have shared the screenshot also. Same at 217, 47,200 call option, 30 quantity, 415 I have taken. And if you see the high of the particular strike price, I have taken it to 415 and the high made was 562.60. 150 points profit we have got. The only thing is you should have trust on our system and you should trade accordingly. So now both the side we have got the target. Here also target hit, here also target hit. Once again buy has been activated. Here one confirmation doji followed by one green candle. Again once high broken, we can go for the buy entry. Since I know market would reverse, I have taken here itself at 217 itself I have taken the entry. And one more pending order I was having at 400, but it did not trigger. Where it is over, right? I have not enabled the first buy targets. I will enable the first buy targets and I will remove the first sell. Now instead of MGR, I will make it to DBP. Now you see what has happened. Here also two targets hit. Here also first target hit. Here also first target perfectly hit. Okay, perfectly hit. So we are all the three side we are in a profit. In addition, if you are joining our lifetime mode, we will be joining you in our premium group. There also we are giving the calls. There also we are giving the calls. See here at morning we have given buy call option buy. Again we have given put option buy. Target we said 47,425. Okay, that also here downside 47,425. That also hit and low made is 47,234. So now all the sides we will be in a profit. One thing if you notice, if you are trading in the bank nifty, we are not concentrating in other script. If you are trading in some other script, we are not concentrating onto other script. We are not jumping here and there. We are trading only one script, keep on trading and we will be booking the profit and exiting from the market. So that is what our system. Hope this is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us. If you want to subscribe our indicator, you can call us. Our WhatsApp is not working, so please contact us through Telegram. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy, profitable day ahead.